Hi, today is Monday, December 15th, 2025. This article is from ccn.com, and the title is Michael Saylor Claims Strategy Will Drive Bitcoin Price to $10 million, says BTC would be at 10K without him. Published 6 days ago by Kurt Robson, edited by Insha Zia. Michael Saylor claimed Bitcoin could be trading at just $10,000 without him, and strategy source. Key takeaways. Michael Saylor claims Strategy's investment strategy is accelerating Bitcoin adoption. Strategy continues aggressive accumulation. Saylor says BTC could likely be just $10,000 today without the firm's participation. Analysts warn of rising bear market risks. Strategy founder Michael Saylor said his firm's investment approach is accelerating Bitcoin's global adoption and helping push the cryptocurrency toward a potential $10 million valuation, even as the market faces warnings of renewed bear cycle. Helping push the cryptocurrency toward potential $10 million valuation. Speaking at the Bitcoin MENA conference, Saylor argued that corporate participation is now a critical force behind Bitcoin's long-term monetization, and that his firm is powering the network rather than threatening it. Interesting. The comments came as the Bitcoin-hungry company shocked the industry with another purchase of 10,624 BTC for approximately $962.7 billion. Saylor said the strategy has already expanded Bitcoin exposure to millions of beneficiaries through its equity structure and institutional backing. First of all, we have somewhere in the range of 15 million beneficiaries, he said, noting that shareholders include everything from pension funds to retail accounts. Adding, we have delivered Bitcoin interest to 50 million people, and that will double to 100 million people over the next few years. Saylor argued that Bitcoin's decentralization is increasing as the asset appreciates, saying that 85% of all Bitcoin is held in dark pools, and no one knows who owns it in dark pools. Held in dark pools. Since joining the network, he claimed Strategy's capital flows have contributed to a price increase of roughly $1.8 trillion, largely benefiting holders outside the corporate sphere. Bitcoin to $10 million, just $10,000 without Saylor. He said Bitcoin's value could surge dramatically if Strategy's share of the network grows. If we are lucky enough, if we ever get to 5% of the network, Bitcoin is going to be at least 1 million coins, Saylor said. And if we ever get to 7.5% of the network, Bitcoin will be 10 million coins. He maintained that corporate investment is essential for Bitcoin to scale toward a multi-trillion-dollar asset class. We really represent a motor, and we are powering the network up. We are driving the price of a Bitcoin up from $10,000 to $100,000 or $1 million to $10 million, he said. Saylor added that without strategies, equity, and credit instruments providing institutional on-ramps, Bitcoin would probably be trading at $10,000 a coin right now. Institutional on-ramps. Accumulating Bitcoin continues. Despite recent price weakness, Saylor has continued adding to the company's holdings. On December 8th, he announced that Strategy purchased 10,624 BTC for approximately $962.7 billion at an average price of $90,615 per coin. The firm reported a 24.7% BTC yield year to date for 2025. Year to date. 24.7% BTC yield year to date. Thanks for Michael. Thanks to Michael for this wonderful article. Michael Saylor, right? It's Michael Saylor. Strategy has acquired, as of December 8th, Strategy holds 660,624 BTC acquired for roughly $49.35 billion at an average price of $74,696. Wow. Chaitanya Jain, head of Bitcoin at Strategy, shared the newest buy on X, closing in on $50 billion of total investment in BTC. Analysts warn bear market risks are rising. However, there is growing concern among analysts that trouble is ahead. Bitcoin may already have shifted into prolonged downtrend, according to several prominent experts. Valdrin Tahiri, an analyst at CCN, described the breakdown as a clear and alarming signal. After months of trading within a significant long-term parallel channel, the price has broken down decisively, a move that analysts confirm as the start of a major bear market, he said. He warned that current indicators resemble those seen before the 2021 market collapse. Chart patterns and technical indicators are mirroring the conditions seen at the beginning of the 2021 crash, fueling fears that the bull run of 2024-2025 is over. Tahiri said the technical picture is now overwhelmingly bearish, with negative momentum and historical parallels pointing to additional downside. Analysts highlight $70,500 as the next key support level. Unless Bitcoin manages an immediate and powerful reversal to reclaim the broken channel, extreme caution is warranted, he said. So bear market, right? So this article was prepared by Kurt Robson. Kurt Robson is a London-based reporter at CCN, specializing in the fast-moving worlds of crypto and emerging technology. He began his career covering local news in Cornell after graduating from Fairmouth University with first-class honors in journalism. There, he cut his teeth on everything from council meetings to missing swans. He quickly rose through the ranks to become a frontline journalist at several of UK's leading national newspapers. Right? He cut his teeth on everything. Right? He cut his teeth on everything. He cut his teeth. Over the years, he has interviewed musicians and celebrities, reported from courtrooms and crime scenes, and secured multiple front page exclusives. Following the upheaval of the COVID 19 pandemic, Kurt shifted his focus to technology journalism just ahead of the AI boom. With a natural curiosity and a trained eye for emerging trends, he has found a new rhythm in reporting on innovation. At CCN, Kurt's work focuses on the cutting edge of crypto, blockchain, AI, and the evolving digital world. Drawing on his background in people first reporting, right? People first reporting, and his deep interest in disruptive tech. Kurt delivers stories that are insightful, entertaining, and human-centric. Well, that's it. He has cut his teeth on everything, right? And Bitcoin is terrible. It will go into bearish market. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.